Many individuals have sleeping problems, turning around in bed throughout the night, staring at the roof, contemplating your life, and the sun raises and you have to go to work or to class. What are the reasons of insomnia? Stress, anxiety, depression, issues at work and numerous more cause a sleeping disorder. Along these lines, when you go to bed, you consider the issues or what you have to do the next day. For this situation, your mind is not ready to unwind in light of the fact that it is dynamic constantly, implying that you can't rest. As indicated by restorative specialists, a few medications and drugs can bring about sleep deprivation. Such meds are pain meds, antihistamines, blood pressure meds, heart meds, etc. Some of them will even make you sluggish to begin with, yet then cause stomach issues, forcing you to go out to the bathroom a lot, and disturbing your sleep even more. The fundamental issue here is that we can't do anything without rest, as along these lines we revive our batteries. How much sleep do we need? Resting is very vital for our health, for the body, mind, and every organ. On the off chance that we rest more, we can be more beneficial and can complete regular exercises without issues. Our bodies need no less than 8 hours of rest, since that is the time when it refuels itself totally, and revives the entire living being. Numerous individuals connect for some coffee to help them go for the duration of the day, yet this isn't right. It can just give a short and brief help. At the point when the impacts are gone, you will feel more terrible. Ways to improve your sleep. Abstain from sitting in front of the TV and chipping away at the PC no less than 1 hour before going to rest. This will help you fall asleep much faster. When we take a shot at the PC or sit in front of the TV, our brains are on high ready, and once we are finished with it, our creature needs an opportunity to quiet down the cerebrum before we fall asleep. Fortunately, there is a characteristic cure which can help you with this issue. It is extremely powerful, and will help you wake up full of vitality and invigorated. Its fixings are effortlessly accessible, or you may have them in your kitchen. The mystery behind it is brown sugar and unrefined sea salt. Fixings: 5 teaspoons of cocoa sugar, 1 teaspoon of foul ocean salt. How to prepare it? Mix the ingredients and consume half a teaspoon of it before going to bed. Put it under your tongue. It will melt, and you will soon fall asleep.